les gens, quelle heure est-il? So this is how we ask about the time, because today we're gonna learn about time in French. So first, you need to know that you have two ways of saying the time in French. Either with 12 hours system, like in English, or the most common one in French, which is a 24 hours system. Of course, you will need to know your numbers from 1 to 59. So let's start with the 12 hours form. In French, instead of saying AM or PM, we will add the moment of the day to make it clear. For example, AM, you can say du matin, and PM, it will depend if it is before 6 p.m, then it is de l'après-midi, or after 6 p.m, and then it is du soir. Like in English, from 1 minute to 29 minutes, you can just say the number 1, 20, 29. But when you reach 30, you can say et demie. For example, il est 3h30 de l'après-midi. And when it's 15 minutes, so a quarter, you can say et quart. For example, il est 3h15 du matin. And once the minute is after 30, like in English, you will give the following hour, so in this context 4, and minus the number of minutes, so moins. Il est 4h moins 20 de l'après-midi. But when it's reached 45, then it's also a special word, which is moins le quart. Il est 3h moins le quart du matin. And now let's explain the most commonly used system, which is a 24 hour.